Hey everyone, it's Chase. Welcome back to What's Brothers Ranch. I just received the brand new Reolink Track Flex Floodlight. Alright, here's the electrical cord and all of our accessories. And this is a 2-in-1 floodlight security camera that promises 360-degree video coverage with AI smart tracking and smart lighting. In this box here, we have all our instructions, our hardware, and extra wires. And the cords for setting it up before you get it set to Wi-Fi. And let's start with mounting it to the wall. All right, got that high idle off. We got everything we need to put the Reolink to the cabin. Let's go ahead and head over there. This truck has been running for a while because it is 38 degrees outside, and with the wind chill, it feels like it's about probably 15 to 19 degrees is my guess. So that is the cabin that we're putting it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around because we're gonna be using the bed and the tailgate to kind of just use this like a ladder. All right, a little bit better lined up here. And Steven's back there to make sure I don't hit anything. Okay, we got the tailgate down now. I'm watching Steven. That's where I want to be at. All right. Truck pulled back to where I'm mounting the Reolink right here. So the first thing I can do is take the back plate off and just mount this straight to where I want the camera. So I want the camera right here. I'm just gonna mount it right here. And what's great, they included a little level so I can get it perfect on there. So let's put the Reolink camera down and mount the base plate or the mount. All right, now that we have the level bouncing left and right, it is pretty much as level it's gonna get. Go ahead and get a screw up top and a screw on each side. Okay, so we got our electrical cable now. It's ran onto the porch and through the rafters and in between the rafters and the roof here. So now we have it ran inside the base through this rubber grommet here, so it's watertight. And we have our camera hung up on the little hanger. So now we're gonna go ahead and start by wiring our white cords. And I think the only way to do this is to tighten the top and bottom screw at the same time. So let's go ahead and try to insert both at the same time. Something like that. Okay, now that they're both in there, I'll go ahead and tighten it up. All right, that is our first connection secured. Let's move on to the next. Okay, going in with our grounds at the same time. There we go. All right, and just tighten it. We got our blacks now. And again, put them in at the same time. All right, blacks are in at the same time. We'll go ahead and tighten our screw, well, both of our screws. All right, now that we got our camera wired up here and everything is good to go, I guess I can keep it on the hanger and I'll put it on the base kind of high and then slide down to lock it down. So now it's fixed to the cabin. It's not going anywhere, and I can take these stickers off the sensors. 1, 2, 3 sensors. That is our 270-degree out of the range detection sensors. And finally, we have our sticker coming off the camera itself. So we have everything set up. Now we can go ahead and run our cable and plug it into electricity. Well, we got the cord routed back behind the, well, everything back here on the porch, back behind the mini fridge, and we're going ahead and plug in to power finally. There we go, we're plugged in and we're gonna wait for the camera to come on. All right, we just heard a little beep go off there, so sounds like everything's turning on now. So let's go ahead and get on the app and see what it looks like. So here's a look inside the Reolink app. This top view is super wide, while this bottom camera detects any motion and focuses in on it. There's a 4K camera lens that captures everything, while a 6x hybrid zoom camera tracks motion like cars, people, or animals. And with the 270-degree out-of-view detection sensors, the Reolink will actually pivot and turn to catch the action. Following me now, so I'll go ahead and walk up on the cabin and see if it follows me further. Yep. Pitched all the way to the right to see me. And I am way up here on the cabin. Since this is a guest cabin, we'll definitely want to know when someone's lurking about. And with the 270 degrees out of sight detection, we'll definitely know when someone's lurking around the cabin. So this camera would be great for someone like a hunting cabin or an Airbnb or someone just not at their house a whole lot. The TrackFlex Floodlight is built for extreme detail and can zoom in to lock on the faces or license plates. While its predecessor, the Elite Floodlight, is built for simplicity, giving you a constant wide view with no moving parts. I've used both the cameras for a bit, and so far my favorite feature is the local playback search with the AI search function. You just ask the AI what you want to see, like a dog, truck, or person at night, and Reolink's AI will find that clip for you. What's best is there's no subscriptions or monthly fees. If you want to capture life's moments, not just intruders, go ahead and click the link down in the description. You can learn more and get one for yourself. Make sure to use code WilsonBrothers5 for 5% off on any Reolink product on the Reolink website. And that code is going to be valid the whole year of 2026. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video.